Guys, it's Sunday. It is Sunday, it's our day together, our day to be creative. I'm so glad that you're here for this video because it's about to blow your mind. You're not gonna believe how easy this is. No matter who you are watching this video, you can make this DIY. It is literally the easiest thing in the world, and not like the new definition of literally. Like the old original literally definition. I cannot wait to get into it. First things first, this little situation, had to have a little something removed right by my eye, which is really awesome. So I'm just wearing a little band-aid to cover it. That's that. If you're new, my name's Orly, and this is the DIY Designer. I do DIY fashion and home decor. I'm totally obsessed, and I love sharing it all with you guys. However, today's video is gonna be totally different from how I normally do my videos. It is so easy that we're basically just gonna do it live. We're doing it live. This is really something that can happen in real time. So I'm gonna do things a little differently today. So let's get started. Basically, it's been like 1,000 degrees in LA all week, literally over 100 degrees every single day. So I was like sitting on the porch, just like sweating my off, but kind of enjoying the like desert vibe of it all. And it was on Instagram and I saw this top. I really like this top. Top's $145. Is this as easy as it looks? And I'm like zooming in, I'm like, I think this is as easy as it looks. I ran to a couple of thrift stores to see if I could find some little pieces, couldn't find what I needed. Then I looked on Amazon. You wanna know what I found? You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Are you ready? I mean, this is the most perfect piece. First of all, this print, this like granny crochet square thing has had like a major moment. Anything with this print is instantly like 5 times more expensive. It's crazy. On Amazon though, this piece was $29. And this is all we need to make our top. I am wearing a bathing suit so that I can kind of show you guys how it's gonna come together, right? I also tied my bathing suit like this, crisscross, because that's the way the top is gonna go. The only thing you're gonna need in addition to this piece is going to be some kind of trim. Like a suede tie would be really good. You want something kind of small that's not gonna fray. You could do like yarn if you have it, like whatever you want. So I went to Joann's, I looked, they were sold out of the suede. They had only a small piece, but they had this. It's just like a black, I don't even know what it is, just like a black trim. So anyway, find your 2 ends and then find your center. Okay, this loop in the center is where everything is gonna start from. You have to decide which color you want to be in the front corner by your face because we're gonna turn it on an angle. So just look at all the colors, kind of hold it up to the mirror, decide which one feels best, and then that will be your front. I really like this purple, so this is going to be my top. Now, do you see how there's just all these little holes everywhere? Well, these are going to be our little anchor points. So what you're gonna do is take the loop and take the hole. You're gonna push the loop through the top hole, just like that, through the hole. Now you're gonna do a slip knot, or maybe it's called like a lark's knot, but you know the deal. Take this end, take these 2 and grab it and just pull it through. And now pull tight. There you go. Right, now you've got that little slip knot. Take the 2 pieces and crisscross them, like that. Now this next part is really dependent on the size of your body, the size of your bust, where you like things to fit. You could just anchor them into the corners, right? Because here are our corners. For me, that's gonna be too low. I'm gonna have too much of an opening here, even if I pull this tight. So I actually wanna anchor mine like right here. In between the 2 squares is probably best. So now I'm taking it and I'm going through the hole, right? Remember, these are just a bunch of little holes in the crochet that you can use. Same thing on the other side, make sure you do it evenly. So I'll do the same, the hole right in between 2 of the flowers. Now, I can pull it as tight as I want and I can create the shape that I want right there. See, it's like an anchor point. Now, I am going to crisscross again. And now I'll go into the corner pieces. Take it, this one through the corner, and now you just tie it. Did I lie? I did not lie. Whoever you are watching this, you can do this. Look! I mean, now, you know what you could do actually? Hold on. I have a lining fabric. Where are you? Oh, here you are. Something like this, a fabric that just matches your skin tone. If you wanted, you could either hand sew it, fabric glue it, spray adhesive it to the back side. I would do it about 1 inch in. I wouldn't go all the way to the edge because Let me zoom in. You need the holes that are along the edge as your anchor points. So if I were doing it, I would go like that, like maybe an inch in, and then just attach it. Now it's not sheer. I'm wearing a bikini underneath, so for me that kind of works fine. I have no bust, so that's totally fine. Instead of having it be in a perfect point at the top, fold one down. Now what you would do is you'd kind of weave it through. So I'm gonna go through here, going in and out through the hole that is in the front and also on the piece that you folded. Okay. Now it's just like a drawstring. So you can connect it like that, the way that you can do with like a drawstring top. And then we would do the same thing. That raised everything up enough that now I actually can just go through the corners. I don't need to go through the, halfway point. Straight up corner it, pull tight. And see, you could wear it low. Even now, looking at that, that's actually kind of cool. But let's just say for original plan, we just gather that. Once you have the square crochet piece, I don't know if that's what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about, this thing, and you have your tie, there's a lot of different ways that you can wear it. You could wear it like this if you wanted. For this one, we're gonna do like a halter. So I'm gonna center this thing here. I like these colors. Center this here. I'm gonna anchor them right here. Go up. So this came through the neck, through the hole, and back up, so that now, go through here, through the corner. That will pull it back. I don't love that. That doesn't look intentional. So now take it, crisscross, find your waist point. And then, imagine this gone. I mean, you guys, there's like so many freaking options. I can't believe it. We're gonna try one more. We're gonna do it off to the side like this. Now we take this piece. I'm gonna do this one like that, maybe right there. And tighten it. You guys! And so again, now we just keep anchoring where we want to create shape on our body. So I want a waist, so I'm not gonna let that hang. I'm gonna take that and pull that back. And same right here. Since it's an asymmetric top, I'm not anchoring in the same point. So here, I just need to feel for it. So like right there is the right spot. And you know what's really cool is if you wanted, again, for those of you that do know how to sew, buy a couple of these pieces. I know they're not like $29 is like cheap for a top, but not if you're buying multiple, but you could buy like 2 more and then sew them and make a matching skirt just like the set. These colors are so good and the quality of this is amazing, and I'm obsessed. There's a million more that we could do. I'm gonna stop because you get the idea. Every single hole on this becomes an anchor point. You could fold it in half and make it a triangle. So you've got like the little bandana top. You can do so many different things with it. So all you need is this piece and your trim. I hope that you guys do this one and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. That's not a word. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hit the like button and comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. I read every comment and they all mean the world to me. So I hope that you will come back for another video, and make sure that you've got notifications clicked if you are a subscriber, because I just keep hearing that I'm not showing up in the homepage anymore. So just make sure you've got those notifications so you get a little heads up when my videos are out. I will see you guys next week. This was so fun. I want to do more of these like live DIYs. Okay, you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you.